ये बेहतर शॉट है.
Keep bowling with the spin.
Nicely picked up. It's gone the distance.
First ball from Ali goes way over the ropes.
We all know how good a player they are.
And what a finish this is. What a finish. That's a 6.
Two men in the ring on the onside.
Go toward his legs, he will punish you.
Better length, better line.
Oh, that's punched. Off the back foot into the gap. Playing the waiting game. Looking for options of the back foot as well. "11 of the over after 5.
It's Ishan Kishan, who has been fearless, making use of his great form. Here's a reverse, half connected, picks up a single.
For such a long time.
Yeah, wonderful to see you as well, Sunil. Ravi's.
And gets it past Shine Shafridi. Now we're talking about a 6-6 guy, just about gets it.
To get that right hand up in time. You can see that just from the, oh, he tried with the left hand. Didn't work.
Tough to do that. Tough to get the clean contact anyway.
Well, Hedos, we were
In this contest, India want to flex.
edged it, gets it past the infield. It's a fast outfield. What's going to happen now? Dive is in, but I think that
The two best shots of the innings were seen in that last over. That little flick towards third man and this last shot. Boy.
Taking it on the full. Wow. That is fitness. Pure fitness.